Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing these Ghirardelli Premium Brownie Mix Brownie Cookie Bars. So if you have lost your box or you just like a visual guide, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here today. You are of course going to need your brownie cookie bar mix, an 8x8 pan. I've got a disposable one here, and I also have it lined with foil just to make it easier to get these out of the pan. I would highly recommend, regardless of what you're using, what type of pan, use some parchment or some foil to line it. We're also going to need 1 or 2 bowls to mix things up in. We're going to need some cooking spray or butter to grease our pan with, some spoons and utensils to stir things up with, 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I already have that mixed together in the larger bowl, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of softened butter, that's also half a stick, and then another tablespoon of water. First thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to prepare our pan. So go ahead and line your pan, and then we're going to grease it with your butter or oil, whatever you'd like to use. Next, we're going to open up our box and take out all of our parts. We've got this one that is the cookie mix, and it will tell you cookie mix on there. Then we have our brownie mix. This one does not tell you, FYI, but it is brown. We're gonna set our pan aside, and I'm gonna take a bowl, and we're going to add in our brownie mix first. Then we add our 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. They're both combined in here. And 1 egg. Now we're gonna mix that until it's well blended. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Make sure that you scrape all of the sides and the bottom of your bowl so that none of that dry batter is in there. Now we're gonna bring our pan back and just pour this directly into the bottom of the pan and even it out. Now we're gonna set that aside again and go ahead and make our cookies. You can clean your bowl and use the same one, or you can just use a different one. That's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and put your cookie mix into your bowl. Then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of water and our half a stick of room temperature softened butter. And we're just gonna stir this until a dough forms. All right, that is the consistency that we're looking for there, a little bit sticky cookie dough batter. So we are going to take that and form it into lumps. We need 9 lumps, and we're gonna put those flattened out onto the top of ours in a 3x3 segment. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, so there we have that. They don't have to be perfect. Now we are going to pop this into our oven for their recommendation of 33 to 36 minutes, or until it is lightly browned on top, the center is set, and the edges start to pull away from the sides. So stay tuned. I will be back to let you know exactly how long this took in my oven. All right, guys, we are back, and it has been 36 minutes in my oven. I checked at the 33-minute mark, and they definitely did not look done. And at 36 minutes, they were looking pretty good. Our corners and edges are coming away from the sides of the pan. We have space there, and the cookie looks set. The center seems fairly set. So here's our completed Ghirardelli Premium Brownie Mix Brownie Cookie Bar. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.